Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a crossplay Aternos server between Java and Bedrock on any version. So for this, you will need to use aternos.org, so just create an account. It's super easy with Google sign in. Now let's head to the software section, click on change and select paper or bucket. We'll go with the latest version. Why not just make sure the version you choose is available for both Java and Bedrock. Okay, once that's done, we'll go to the plugin section and search for Hazer. Got it. First, we'll install the entire Hazer MC package. Okay, click install on the first version that pops up after it's installed. Search for Hazer again, and this time download the Hazer Skin Manager compatibility plugin. We'll download the latest version again. As you can see, it says it depends on Hazer MC, which we have already installed. Now, if we want, we can continue downloading the different plugins we have available. Alright, such as the Bedrock Player Manager and the third-party plugins. Okay, these are basically extra plugins that we can download to add additional functionality. So let's move on to some important things in the server section. If we click on connect, it usually shows us the IP address right, as well as the port number. Typically in Minecraft Bedrock, the port is 19132 or around 2500, something like that. So these are the default ports that come preset, but if you don't want to use these ports, and I actually recommend changing it, let's use this port. So we're going to copy it and then navigate to the files folder, go to the plugins and open the official Hazer plugin. That's this Hazer Spigot. Alright, so it's the one that allows us to connect. We're heading to settings, and as you can see here, we have the port for Bedrock, which is 19132, and that's the default. We can change it. Alright, there's no problem using 57588 instead. And then on the other hand, we have this other one, which is the one I mentioned earlier, 25565. We can change it our own way. So in fact, I recommend doing so, though I suppose it's not a big deal if you don't change it. But if you don't change it, just make sure to let the other players know it's 19132. Still, I recommend changing it so everyone can follow the same system and use the same thing. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.